Oh, let me sleep. Where am I? My hands are tied. So are yours. My legs are tied. So are yours. Who did this? I don't know. Who did this? That's what I said. Could it be? Could it be? Could it be?
Jigsaw. You have 10 minutes. And here's your clue. Like every plug goes into a socket, you'll find the key in your pocket. Whoops! What?
You have 5 minutes.
Hey, that's supposed to be my line!
Let me give you a clue. Just like a thorn in a rose, the key is in your nose.
My what? This one?
That's not the key.
You may be leaving for now, but the nightmares will return.